Hello everyone, it's Bob. Today, I'm going to make one final addressing, I guess, of the last two videos that I made. I'm just gonna say that I don't care what people say you know, or if they talk behind my back, or I don't give a shit. I don't care what they say about me. I have been yelled at by the best professional people, military drill and training instructors. I've also been yelled at by the best professional, non-paid people, street criminals. So what you can say about me doesn't really matter. What matters is when you draw the line at threats. You kind of weaving in and out. This one individual, let me explain, decided to reply to my reply to him about the middle class here in the Philippines and lack thereof. And he kind of meandered across the line back and forth with a threat. So I went ahead and hit him. He can still see my content and he can still make comments. It's just none of his comments will be posted. Basically neutered him. Making, I guess, veiled threats, I guess if you want to call it that, isn't cool. So that's the first person I ever had to hide from my page. Please don't be doing that. So today I'm going to talk about, on that note, what to pack when coming here to the Philippines. And I noticed on some expat Facebook pages that people were asking, what should they bring? And it's, you got to remember, on an international flight, you have two check-in bags, you're allowed two check-in bags, and one carry-on. And the two check-on bags can weigh up to 50 pounds each, roughly 50 pounds each. I think it's like 23 kilograms, whatever that comes out to. Multiply it by 2.2 and there's your weight. I kind of overpacked when I first came, and I was right at the max. And I'm glad we didn't do any island hopping first. I'm glad she already had an apartment, because when we did finally start going out and seeing things, at least I had to bring all that stuff with me. And that's my warning. See, if you plan on coming here and you want to go from place to place, if you take a plane here, a regular in-country visit to somewhere, some island or wherever, the weights are different. And if you have nowhere to leave your stuff, you're kind of screwed. So be careful what you pack. My advice is pack a lot of shorts. Do that. Pack a lot of shorts. Pack short sleeve shirts. You can bring, I'd say, two pairs of pants. One may be jeans, the other one may be a nicer pair. This way, if you go to a nicer place, at least you have nice clothes. Bring what they call slippers here, or what we call flip-flops. Bring those. The sizes here are meant for Filipinos, and they don't match US. They, bring your own sturdy flip-flops. If you decide you want to bring your favorite alcohol with you, whiskey, bourbon, whatever, you're allowed 2 bottles up to 1.5 liters, 1.5 liters. That's what you're allowed. I brought 2 bottles of chicken cock Kentucky bourbon. I usually bring those every time I come. Yeah, definitely pack light. As far as like regular shoes, me personally, I like those Skechers slide-ins where they're like shoes, but you don't have to tie them and you just kind of slide them in. I like those because they're really breathable, and you can wear them on the motorcycles here because they're closed-toed. As far as, you know, undergarments, like underwear and stuff, trust me, those bring at least 10 to 14 days worth. Because if something happens to them, ripped, destroyed, or whatever, very hard to find some here. You'd have to order them online. And chances are you're going to order them on Amazon and you're going to have to pay all the import fees. I don't have a whole lot of socks. I don't wear socks anymore. So what you do with the socks, whatever. Toothpaste. They only have a couple brands here. None of them include Crest, just so you know. That's pretty much about it. As far as coming in through customs, they're making it simpler now here. So, I don't know the logistics of all that yet. So if I was you, I'd look up on that. I would keep up on the regulations coming into the country, because they change constantly here. They really do. I got to keep up with them even here. So with that note, I know this is not such a controversial video. Taking a breather from that right now. I'm sure I'll make more. I'm sure, almost guarantee it. I'm that kind of guy. I don't back down. So hopefully everybody has a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.